Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the pitch of your audio in Audacity, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity application on your PC. Once the app launches and you can see your audio waveform displayed on the screen, you'll need to select the entire audio track. You can do this in two ways. Either press Ctrl and A on your keyboard simultaneously, or simply double-click directly on the audio waveform itself. Both methods will highlight your entire audio track, indicating that it's now selected and ready for editing. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar of the application. You'll want to hover your mouse over the option labeled Effect in the menu. This will reveal a drop-down list with various audio processing options. From this list, navigate to the section called Pitch and Tempo, then click on Change Pitch. This is the tool that allows you to adjust how high or low your audio sounds without affecting its speed or duration. Once the Change Pitch window opens, you'll see a slider in the center of the dialog box. This slider is your main control for adjusting the pitch. To make your audio sound higher, drag the slider to the right. The further you drag it, the higher the pitch becomes. This is useful if you want to create a chipmunk-like effect or simply raise the tone of a recording. Before committing to any changes, it's important to test how your audio will sound. Click the Preview button located in the dialog box. This allows you to hear a short sample of your audio with the new pitch applied, helping you decide if the adjustment is exactly what you're looking for. If you find the pitch too high or if you'd prefer to lower it instead, drag the slider to the left. Moving it in this direction decreases the pitch, creating a deeper, lower sound. This can be helpful for voice alterations or creating a more bass-heavy effect in your audio. Again, click the Preview button to test the lower pitch. Take your time to experiment with different positions on the slider until you find the perfect pitch that matches your creative vision or project requirements. Once you're completely satisfied with how your audio sounds and you've found the ideal pitch adjustment, click the Apply button located in the bottom right corner of the Change Pitch window. This will process your audio and permanently apply the pitch change to your selected track. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted the pitch in Audacity, giving your audio a completely new sound. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.